If we die, we all die together. Get in, Martin.
Come on, Martin. Hey everybody, welcome to VW Life. Today we're back on Genard.
Yes, today Genard's gonna get the motor. We're gonna put the motor in, get it running, and then we're gonna go through the brakes. That's the plan. And so we'll have it running, driving, stopping, 1968 Volkswagen bus for sale.
That's right. So we're gonna take you along with us and hopefully we can get this done today. We'll see.
Long live Neptune Blue. I am taking off the master cylinder. So when we hit the plunger here, it just stops. So my guess is the master cylinder is froze up in there. So always want to make sure you do your hard lines first, and then you can disconnect your master cylinder. Otherwise, you're kind of chasing your tail on that. Tip for the day.
So these are the new motor mounts that go onto the mustache bar. And well, actually more like that. So we're gonna put those on and we're gonna try to stab this motor in.
So what happened is we had some spares that we came up with for a 68 bus, but we've run into a little bit of a issue here with the master cylinder. This is the one that came off, and you see it has a inlet here for a brake line, like a dual circuit. So we've run into a little bit of an issue. So this is the old one that was on there that's froze up, and it's just rusted mess. So we're gonna have to see if we can find a new one.
All right, since we need a brake master cylinder, we're gonna go pull one off a parts bus that we've got.
Come on, Willie boy. Woo! Beautiful day in the neighborhood, Willie boy. Oh, look, you dragged your plate out here.
This is also a 68. It's really rusted.
She's a real beaut, Clark.
But this is kind of
Oh no!
Is it gone?
No, it's got a belly pan. A pedal pan.
Flash rust, but not much.
Yep, I guarantee you that's it. Because this was sitting at Kenny Hill when we got it, and that lady, they finally told her stop putting money into it. That's exactly what it is. All right.
All right, so currently Martin's down there pulling out the master cylinder, and we're just kind of
watching him. It's always fun. It's always more fun when somebody else does the work, especially Martin. Martin's kind of like Wilson on, if you're an old person, on Tool Time. You know, Tim the Tool Man's neighbor, you never see his face. In this case, you just see Martin's gut.
Oh, good. It looks flat.
It looks flat. It should be the head on the front.
It's not busted.
There you go, sir. That's the right one. Ooh, the reservoir's good shape too. And a boot to noblesse. Oh, it's FTE. Hi, VW Lifers. Ah! So, these sliding doors and these bay windows have 3 points that over years just get so dry and full of junk. So you just sit there and kind of clean it with a little brake cleaner, get all the like grit out, and then come back and just hit it with grease. Volkswagens love grease, by the way. If you just grease these tracks and your little rails, most of the time you're pretty good. You don't have to take it off. And if you really have some issues, you need to take the door off, clean off the rollers and all that. But I think this one right here is rolling pretty smooth. Look at this. Like butter.
Oh, it looks like we've got the new master cylinder in, huh, Gary?
Hey, everybody. Yeah, we had to chase down the master cylinder situation. And apparently 68 is a little bit of a special deal on these bay windows. So, you learn something new every day because we had one for a 71. So we got that. So we're snugging up the master cylinder as we speak. And then we got to connect our lines and then put some brake fluid in here and we'll see where we are. It's all in good fun. That's why we do this.
All right, so we got the master cylinder in, and the line's all connected, and you say you have a pedal?
A little bit.
Yep, we got about half a pedal.
Hey everybody, we're back here at VW Life, and Matt Jackson, tell us a bit about what we're looking at here, buddy.
Well, Marcy sent us these. She made them specifically for Gary and I, and we're really thankful. They hang off. She designed it to hang over there on the other side by the driver's side, but we have them over here now. They're these just really cool little tool holder things. I mean, look at that. She put so much thought and effort into these, and we're really thankful. And
yeah, they hang on the, they're really neat. They hang on the back of the bulkhead on your split bus. And we have it here on the in the cargo area, but you can also, like Matt Jackson said, put them over there next to the driver's door. You put the things, quick things you need, like screwdrivers, maybe a flashlight, put in your church key, those kind of things. Really high quality. So check out Marcy Junebug on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a link to her channel. Go follow her. Tell her that you saw her on VW Life, and tell her if you would want these for your bus, and maybe we'll get her to make some more for everybody else.
Yes, indeed. Thanks, everybody.
Alright, so we got the motor in. We're done messing with the brakes. They're And now we're kind of working on the pedal. We've got a situation where the pedal isn't in place. The accelerator cable is there, but we're gonna fix the pedal. We're gonna try to take it for a drive and put some gas in it. He sprayed some carb cleaner and it made it all the way down, so we're just trying to free up that accelerator cable for the first drive. It's just a little stick.
Oh, there it went.
There it is.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
So we know this motor runs because that was a whole other episode. I'll put a link to the episode where we got Genard's motor running right here. Hey, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We got it wired up, we got gas in it. The brakes are, let's just say, iffy at best.
Is that what you call it? Iffy? Iffy. Well, here we are. The moment of truth. Will Genard start And will it not go crashing through the shop door? We'll find out. Alright, here we go, boys.
It's running, so we're gonna drive it. We're gonna try to drive it.
If we die, we all die together. Get in, Martin.
Come on, Martin.
Oh my god, it smells so bad in here. I'm not even shutting the door. I'll leave it open.
Yeah, that's it. Like a Huey.
Oh god. No brakes, huh?
No brakes whatsoever.
You got power?
Yeah, it actually runs better than Jerry.
That exhaust thing that's off. God, it's cold.
It's got a little backfire.
That's third.
Alright, remember, we don't have
Do
brakes.
not go up that hill. I was swinging low. Put it first. And if we get too fast coming down that hill, we can lay it over.
We can lay it over.
Fuck this thing.
Oh, we're going up the hill.
No.
Oh, we're going up the
God.
hill.
I'm gonna die.
This is it. This is where.
Oh god.
This is where VW Life is. Look at that pull. Woo! VW Life, baby. That's it right here.
Hey, this thing hasn't ran in 20 years.
No, at least.
Yeah, we just got this guy back on the road.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not
it's
not road worthy, but
How much gas do we put in it?
oh,
Not much at all.
not much gas.
No. I maybe put a half a gallon in.
Okay, that'll get us around the block.
Yeah, so
Just swinging around up here.
this is it.
If we have to stop, it's the end of us. Yeah, this thing, first time this thing's ran in at least 20 years.
Yeah,
Right?
it was registered in 80,
Watch out
Not-
in traffic.
88.
Yeah, 88.
That would be like 31 years. Look at that pull's really good.
Just a horrible exhaust thing.
It'll warm up and it won't leak.
Turn on the heater.
Oh, yeah, the heater's on. There you go. That's what we need. Here, heater's on. Look, we're going so fast, it doesn't even register. The generator's working. Look at Martin, looks like a monk. It's so cool. It's horrible. Game
I'm
browser.
not pulling a fucking jig.
Looks just like a golf ball.
Yeah. Let's see. We got a little hole down there.
It's Fred Flintstone. All right, let me see.
Man, they're stopping now.
It's got brakes.
All right, cool.
Relatively. But look at this.
Grabbing second, grabbing third. Third works.
How was that? You should hit the brakes really far.
I think Gary just fell in love.
Fuck this. Yeah, I'm driving this to school tomorrow. It's my new daily.
Hit him when you get right by the cars.
Don't hit the car.
Don't hit the car.
Don't hit the cars. All right, y'all need
Put him down. Go. Yeah, it's got somewhat of a brake in there.
Unbelievable. This thing has been sitting for, what do we think, at least 20 years.
Yeah.
We put a new fuel pump on it, set of points, new intakes that had dual carbs. This is basically taking something from a junkyard, barn find, whatever you're gonna call it, and we got this thing running and stopping in 2 days, literally. That's what we do. All right.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah, but if it
But it
wasn't
wasn't on the road since 86.
86,
That you know of.
That's
how many years is that?
23 years.
23.
No, 33 years.
Yeah. 33 years.
33 years. Thank you for joining us on this episode of VW Life. Ladies and gentlemen, just a normal day in the world of Volkswagens. We get something that hasn't ran in over 25 years, and voila, 2 days later, it's running like a top. Amazing. So it's kind of like a fish story, right? We don't know how long that bus has been sitting.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it has. But here's the best thing. It's so much fun to just get something like this. First of all, hanging out with your buddies, that's the best part.
Yes.
And second best part is get something running, right, Matt Jackson?
Yeah, I mean, we turned something that was a derelict into something that's kind of running.
Well, they kind of derelict like us, worn out, down and out, something like that. Hey, man, we just thank you guys for joining us at VW Life today. Make sure to tell your friends, share as many as you can, hit the subscribe button, and what else we got coming on, Matt Jackson? What do we got going on next, man?
Well, we got to work on the Harvest Beetle. Besides that, I don't know. If you guys have ideas for the show, leave a comment below.
Yes, indeed. We're always working on something here at VW Life. We just want to say thank you guys for tuning in and for subscribing, for the like buttons, and please comment. We appreciate those too. I guess that serves us up for today, huh?
Yeah, thanks for watching.
All right. Thanks all.